Good morning everyone, I am VFRX Down Under and my name is Andrew. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Innovv K5 Dashcam. Firstly, I'd like to say that this unit was graciously supplied by Innovv and I'm going to be installing it on my 2015 Honda VFRX Crossrunner. So for anyone who knows me or follows my Instagram, I'm on the bike quite often. I daily to work most days and I generally rely on my GoPro to capture any footage. But obviously this only sees what I see. So I've been looking for a solution for quite a while and Innovv contacted me to install one of their units on my bike and give it a shot. So here we are. So first impressions, packaging. As you'd expect of a product costing as much as this does, I think in Australia it retails for $849. The packaging is quite good. It's very well presented. You've got all the main components in this top foam here supporting everything. So just to run through the main components, we've got the front camera, which is a 4K Ultra HD at 30 frames per second. I think it is capable of going at 1080p 60 frames per second. The rear camera is 1080p 60 frames per second. The remote control unit, which attaches to the handlebars of the motorcycle, has a button to stop and start recordings. It has 3 indicator lights. One is for Wi-Fi signal, one is for GPS signal, and one is to show that you're recording. And then we've got the GPS unit itself, which is a 5 GHz receiver. But moving on, let's get this out of the box. This might get a bit messy. Right, so we'll get this foam up. Oh, everything's kind of falling out. So there's our GPS unit. Now everything in here comes with cables and connector plugs, so everything's just plug and play. And here is our front camera. Now the quality on these is amazing. This is they're all aluminium housings. They're IP67 waterproof, so they'll stand up to the elements, the dust and the rain and everything like that. Here's all your connectors. So this main front camera contains the brains. This has all the computing in it. All the recording goes into here. Under this cover, which I'll take off in a little bit, there's the SD card slot. So everything's in here. Everything plugs into this. So there's our DC converter. That connects into the battery. It's got inline fuses as well. And this is all our mounting unit. So this will be to mount the front and rear camera. It comes with a microphone as well, so you're not going to be relying on audio generally from the device itself, but you can plug this in to get nice clear audio in your mic. So both the front and rear cameras have a 120-degree angle lens on them. The camera comes with loop recording and parking monitor. The external mic, unfortunately, is only wired, so I'm going to have to try and find some way to wire that down to the control unit and up to me. But more than likely, I'll probably use this to record the exhaust note, so I might chuck this up under the seat somewhere. And this is the GPS unit. Quite a nice little compact unit. As you'd expect, yeah, the quality on these is really good. Got the control unit that goes on the handlebars. Again, really well made. So all these come with mounting options. And the front camera. So we'll go ahead and take this cover off, and there is our SD card slot and our cable. I'm assuming that's to plug into a computer or possibly, no, not to charge it because it plugs into the battery, so I'm actually honestly not quite sure what that's for. But yeah, first impressions, it's really well made. Super happy with the quality. And there's all our cables that run out to the different components. This may be the Wi-Fi receiver. I think that is, because obviously it's not going to broadcast through the aluminium housing. So yeah, that must be the Wi-Fi receiver. And this is our rear camera. Again, incredible quality, like it's so well made. It's all aluminium. There's no chance of it getting damaged. Guess so, let's go take this off. Again, really nice 120-degree view. And the front one as well. This unit is actually, it's a bit smaller than what I thought it was going to be. I was watching videos of it and photos, and I expected the unit to actually be bigger, but I'm pleasantly surprised of how small it is, so that's nice. So that'll mount quite nicely, either on my crash bars or up under the mudguard somewhere. This is all the mounting equipment. So you get all the hardware supplied. Also comes with a little SD card reader to get your footage off, and a little lanyard. And the documentation on this is quite well as too. It comes with a massive fold out instructions and shows you exactly how it all goes together. So that's quite nice. Shows you what goes where, what everything is, how to put all the mounts together. How to wire it on the bike. So yeah, obviously like this setup's going to be different for every motorcycle, but this is a good starting point. And this camera also comes with an app, so you can download that from the Google Play Store or the App Store, the Apple App Store. And yeah, so that looks like it shows you how to set it up and everything. But yeah, overall I'm quite happy with the product. Again, this is just a quick unboxing and first impressions, and my first impressions is that this is a really well made and designed product. The quality's there. Again, you're paying for the quality. There is a smaller, they do have smaller, lower products in the line. You've got the K5, which is the one below this, which is only 1080p for the front and the back. But yeah, this is the top of the line Innovv product. And I can't wait to get this installed on my motorcycle. And I'm hopefully going to be doing a installation video. So I'm not sure when that's going to happen. Might take a little bit more getting together. But yeah, I'd like to show how I get this installed on the motorcycle. And then once it's up and running, I'll be getting footage out. So thanks for watching. First time doing this kind of thing, but I hope this was a little bit informative.